Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Tasha. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
Oh, fabulous.
Thanks. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to discuss this important issue together with you.
Oh,
I'm really, really grateful.
it's my honor actually.
Great, great, great. I'm so happy about that. So, how's life generally? How's everything going?
So far so good, but I have now two kids crying, so you might be losing me in between.
Okay, that's no problem. That's no problem at all. Good, 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 good. Let's wait for the other guests a little bit.
Alrighty.
They are yet to join. Yeah. I really hope they don't find it difficult to join. It should be easy. Did you find any difficulties joining in?
No, and I'm actually connected to my phone right now, so there is no problem.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. I chose this software, this streaming software, StreamYard, because looking at their description, it seems very easy to be able to use it.
You see, I don't know anything about this technology. I'm like a Stone Age man, and honestly, nah,
All
not
right.
for me.
We are all learning. There's no problem at all.
That's true.
Good, good.
How's your family doing?
We're doing great. We're doing absolutely great.
So happy to hear that.
Yeah, of course we live in a very great country weather-wise.
Mhm.
It's not like the UK where it's always raining.
Now that was a punch. No, it's not that bad, honestly. I thought it's gonna be
Good.
worse. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, of course we're in the winter season at the moment. There's a little bit of cold, but it's manageable.
Yeah. Well, that's January for you, isn't it?
Yeah, of course it's it.
We cry.
It is.
You know how it is. Like now that you are basically officially an European, right? You cry.
Good.
You cry at summer because it's hot, and you cry at winter because it's cold. So there is always a
And I
chance to
suffer.
complain about something.
That's true. That's true. I suffer from allergies as well.
Oh, I believe you.
Something that I never had this problem before in my life. I live in a part of Italy where this problem is very rampant.
Oh, okay.
So just to buttress on the point of me becoming a European.
Well, yeah. Then you're gonna be like me.
Unbelievable.
Mhm.
Good, good, good. Why are the guests not coming in? I hope they don't have any problem joining.
I don't know.
It will be easy. Maybe I should. It's not quite a good idea. Can you see me very well? What is the frame of my video like?
Well, I see your half face basically, to be honest. No, on the other side, yeah, that's much better now. Yeah,
Okay.
a little bit more centered. Yes, that's better.
Um, okay. Let's do it better again. Trying to set the camera.
You get all cozy. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Mhm. No. What's going on? Okay. Okay. I think it's better this way.
Yeah,
Perfect. And is the audio clearer? Can you hear me better?
it's basically almost the same, to be honest. I heard you before as well, so
Okay. Okay.
Maybe this time is a bit echoing a little bit more than before.
Okay. Let's see. How is it this time around?
Yeah, better.
Better.
Hmm.
Perfect. Nice. Thanks for being my backup engineer.
Don't make me feel too special, eh? It might get into my head.
Uh, of course. Anyway, before the other guests come in, I think we should start. But I don't want to keep neither you nor them here for the whole day.
All right.
And the purpose of this discussion is actually as a result of the fact that in the past few days I had series of discussions with my friends.
Right.
Some of them here in Italy and some of them in another country,
Hmm.
other European country, and